introduce some cavitation machines today. And today we will show you guys our F-shape machine and new F-shape machines, and to talk some about their difference and some something new and tips about the cavitation machines.
Yes, this is our new version of the 30K machine.
Yes.
There are so many customers are confused about our old version and the new version. And today we will do some treatment about these two machines.
Yes, before the treatment, I think we also need to introduce about the F-shape machine. Yes, about the handles.
Yes.
To see what's the difference between the old one and the new one. Yes, this is the upgraded one.
Yes. For this.
Yes,
for
this
these two
one.
model.
Yes.
Yes.
They are with safe handles.
Yes, the same handle.
Yes,
this
but
is EMS and the EL. And this one is new version, but the handle for this EMS and EL handle is the same. As
but
you can
different
see.
colors.
Yeah. And you can use this handle on your face, and the function for this handle is to help the central of the absorption to your skin.
Yes, so I can use this handle with some essence and some nutrition, right?
Yes, it can help your skin to absorb the nutrition and the essence.
Wow, it's cool.
Yes.
Okay, so and this one, I see this is the small one as well.
Yes.
So
also this one is the same, but the color.
Yes. Yes. Same function but different colors as this one. Also, I think I see that this machine is with the silver, but this is the purple. Yes. And what's the function for this?
This handle is RF suction handle.
Wow, RF suction.
Yes, you have suction and the RF. Also, you can use the RF function and the suction function separately. Also, you can use them together.
So I can set the energy and the functions on the screen, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And also here's a button on the top of the machine.
Wow,
you can adjust this button to adjust the suction level.
Yes, and this is the knob on the old F-shape machine, and this is the knob on the new version F-shape machine. So I can use it on my face or on my neck on some small area.
This handle is suitable for a small area of your, especially for your skin, for your face.
Yes, for skin tightening, skin lifting.
Yes, this RF will help the blood circulation, and the suction also can increase the lymphatic circulation.
Oh, this is also the radio frequency and vacuum.
Yes, also this one is the RF suction, but this is suitable for your body, and this one is suitable for your facial skin.
What cream or oil conductive cream you use for face? Yes. Actually, for the face, we recommend you to use the essence or some nutrition. Yes. Yeah, because it can help the
absorption of the nutrition and the essence.
Yes, it can. Yes, but if you use the body one.
Yes, if you want to use body.
Yes, if you use the body radio frequency, we will recommend you to use this one, the hot cream. Yes, because it can help the fat burning. Yes, it can also help the skin tightening.
Yes, the main function of the hot cream is the anti-cellulite and the deep muscle relaxation.
Wow. Yes, and we also sell this hot cream, right?
Yes. If you buy this machine, we can send you this hot cream as a gift.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Yeah, so if you order the F-shape machine, we can send you the hot cream for free.
Yes, can surely match this machine.
Yes, and we can see this is the hot cream. And we can see the color is orange. Yes, because it is include the ginger.
As we said before, this cream is made of the ginger, so it's better not use on your face. You may feel hot.
Oh yes, but so we please use suitable. Yes, don't use too much the cream because you may feel very hot and very warm. Yeah. Okay, go back to our handles.
Go back to our handle. This IFM suction handle. Use the hot cream, but it's better not use this gel because it may block this handle.
We have talked the Workil, the face Workil and the body Workil. They are both of them with the radio frequency.
Yes.
So they are with two functions in one handle. So you mean I can use them separately or together?
Yes.
Yes, and the last one, we can see this one. The cavitation, yes, the cavitation handle. And this one is also the cavitation, right?
Cavitation 30K handle.
Do you know what's the difference between this cavitation and this one?
I know this is Cavitation 2.5 version and this one is Cavitation 2.0 version.
So this one is more powerful.
Yes.
Okay, so we upgraded from the Cavitation 2.0 from the Cavitation 2.5.
Yes.
Okay.
Except the technology, we also upgraded this holding way. We can hold this handle like this way, and that is suitable and friendly.
Yes. After made a brief introduction about our handles, I think many people, many clients are more interested in the treatment.
Yes.
Yes. So I think we can
make the treatment we are going to do the cavitation treatment. For this touch screen, we can add your logo on this machine. Even you just play one set of this machine.
Yes, this is the home page for the AppShape machine. Yes, we can see here is the AppShape, and we can change it to your business name or your logo.
Or your slogan?
Yes, your slogan. And this one, we can see it is the radio frequency and ultrasound. And this one is the radio frequency and suction for the body. So this handle. And this one is the radio frequency suction for the face. Yes, and this one is the EMS and EL.
This one.
Yes.
And as you can see, these three handles all have the eye function.
The cavitation treatment. And we will use the new AppShape machine, the upgraded AppShape machine. Yes, we will make a treatment now. Apply some gel. Yes, apply enough gel on the belly.
So the first step, we apply some gels on your belly, and then the professional may do some massage on your belly, and then we may use this cavitation handle first.
Yes, we can also use the hot cream.
Yes, also the hot cream, but please remember to not use the gel with the vacuum handle.
Yes, and then set the energy.
And we adjust the time to 30 minutes.
Yes, set the treatment time.
And set the energy to level 3.
Okay, we got new comments now. How many times a week? Yes, how many times should we use the cavitation a week?
It's better to take this cavitation treatments twice a week.
Yes, about once or twice a week to make a better treatment, and about 6 to 8 times for one session, so that you can lose your weight about 1 to 2 inches.
Okay.
Yes.
So we are doing the cavitation treatment now.
Yes, doing the treatment now. To massage the skin by the handles back and forth.
Yes, and for this cavitation handle, it is normal that to hear the sound around your ear. That's the normal phenomenon. Please do not worry. One of our clients asked us when we use this hot cream. We can use this hot cream when we're using this.
This
one.
Yes, the radio frequency handle and also the
RF handle.
Yes, the Workil radio frequency handle. We can use the hot cream. Yes, let me show you. But please remember that for the gel, we can only use the gel with the cavitation handle, but not the Workil handle, because it will clog our handle. Yes. It's the 40K machine. Yes, thank you. Yes, you have the cool scalping machine. Yes, I think it is the machine you refer to. Yes, the cool scalping machine. Yes, we also sell the cavitation machine, fat freezing machine, and also facial care, and yes, body care, the vacuum therapy, and all kinds of machines. 还有吗？ Yes, if you need to know more details about the hot cream, we can apply some hot cream on the belly.
Yes, we'll do the treatment. Okay.
Yes, we will use this one, the radio frequency and vacuum handle.
This one.
Yes.
Radio frequency.
Yes, we apply the hot cream on the belly now.
Yes.
Before using the handle.
And here I will adjust the RF energy to 4 and 1 second for the release time. And we will start it.
Yeah. Introduce the FJ machine and making the vacuum radio frequency treatment now. Yes, and we have applied the hot cream on the belly.
Here is the button on the top of the machine. We can adjust this button to adjust the suction level.
Yes, we can see here appear some redness on the belly now.
Yes, that's the normal phenomenon for the redness.
Yeah.
Yes, our client asks you can use the hot cream also for the vacuum RF handle. Yes?
Yes, sure.
Sure, we can use the hot cream with the RF handles.
Yes, actually this handle is also with the radio frequency. Yes, the RF.
Yes, we are using the hot cream now.
Yeah.
Firstly, we can customize, we can add your logo on this screen. Even if you just place one order for this machine, and we can add your logo on it or your slogan. It's for free. And also we can customize the color for this machine for you.
Yes, we can also customize the color.
The color for this whole machine.
Wow, cool. And the handle, right?
Yes, like the pink color, the pink color and the blue or other color as you want.
Yes, I think many clients love the pink. Yes.
Yeah, I think some you guys may want to know the aftercare. After this cavitation treatment.
Yes, we need to, what should we do?
It's better to drink about 2 to 3 liters of water every day during the course of the treatment. And for 1 week following your last treatment, the intervals between sessions recommended are at least 3 to 6 days.
Okay, so we need to drink
lots of water.
Lots of water to have the body detox.
Yes, make treatment.
You mean the treatment time, right?
Yes, the treatment time.
Yes. As for the radio frequency, we recommend you to do the treatment about 20 minutes.
20 minutes?
Yes, about 20 minutes. And as for the cavitation, we recommend you to do the treatment about 20 to 30 minutes. Yes, to burn our fat, and then use the vacuum and radio frequency handle to help tighten the skin.
So it's recommended about 20 minutes for this vacuum RF handle and 20 to 30 minutes for the cavitation handle. Totally about 1 hour, right?
Yes, 1 hour. Yes, 1 hour treatment is the best for the fat burning effect.
Yes, you may wonder about whether the cavitation result permanent.
Yes, results of these treatments are permanent, but as long as you maintain a healthy diet and exercise. If you have a healthy life, yes, fat deposit may return to the area which have been treated. So it is most important to keep a healthy life. Yes, after the treatment. Hello friends, welcome to our live. We are making the treatment yes, by the Aftercare machine now. We will make the lipo laser pass treatment now.
If you want us to ship the different addresses, we can do that. We have several warehouse in the world. The customers can receive their package within 1 to 3 working days.
Customers who live in the USA, in United Kingdom and Australia, they can receive machines within 1 to 3 days, right?
Yes, if you want to resell our machine, we can ship the machine from the located warehouse to you, also to your client addresses. News.
Wow, that's cool. So welcome you all to make business with us together. Yes, we will provide you the best price and the best service. Yes, for the machines.
Yes.
You can see we are making the treatment of the lipo laser pass. Hello friends, we are making the treatment, yes, now.
Avoid heating the treatment area of the minimum of 48 hours after treatment, or while heat remains in the skin. This includes physical activities, saunas, hot bath, shower or hot shower, alcohol, etc. The treatment time?
The treatment time for the lipo laser pass are about 15 to 20 minutes.
15 to 20 minutes for the laser pad treatment.
Younger, do you know who cannot use the cavitation machine?
The ultrasound cavitation is not for the people with the heart disease, pregnant, and you must wait a minimum of 3 months after the true birth.
So not all people are suitable for the cavitation treatment.
Yes.
The model you have is without pass. Okay, you have the pass, the Aftercare machine without pass. If so, I think you can order the lipo laser pass machines only. Yes, so you can use the Aftercare machine and the pass machine separately or together on different clients. Yes, so after the treatment it is the end of our live stream today. Yes, if you have more, you would like to know more details or about the warranty or the shipping time or more information about our company or machines. And if you would like to know more details about other machines in our next live stream, you can also let us know.
Yes, we will prepare our live stream based on your comment.
Okay, thank you for your support. Goodbye.